Hello everyone, this is Angel Zhou from Besta Machine China. Thank you for watching our video. We wish to introduce you our blade grinding machine, blade sharpening machine. For this machine, it is used for sharpening the flat blades, shaping blades into sharpened. Every day after using the machine, you need to do regular grinding of the blades, make it more sharp. You can see that our engineer is grinding the shaping blades in this machine. Blade grinding is very important for product making. So, when you have bamboo processing machines with flat blades or shaping blades, you may consider to have one set of blade grinding machine. For more detailed information for this machine or bamboo processing machine production line, don't hesitate to contact us. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Welcome to add our WhatsApp for further communications. Thank you for your kind watching. Thank you.